Miami has been around for 25 years and been serving youth through academic enrichment and after-school programming throughout the entire Miami-Dade County, helping our students break through their experiences.
Breakthrough gave me the opportunity to experience something new and learn new programs. It's something that I never thought I'd learn.
We learned a lot of stuff here.
We got to go around Lincoln Road, visit the City Hall, New World Orchestra too. That was fun.
My breakthrough experience has been very unique, teaching students how to do 3D modeling and photoshopping, rendering, to create innovative designs and showing them how design can benefit their future.
The biggest challenge for me was trying to figure out how the Rhino program worked.
The first day I tried it, it was like, what is this? And now it's like I fully understand it to where like I can make anything that I want now.
Having worked with 3D printing before, I've always wanted to print my own creation. If you don't do anything out of the ordinary, everything stays ordinary. So, be creative.
Growlight is life-changing.
Powerful.
Fun.
Innovative.
Groundbreaking.